There was a recent incident in Little London, Westmoreland, where a 16-year-old girl was murdered by her ex-boyfriend in the wee hours of the morning after leaving work as a waitress. The news further stated that she was sitting on her veranda with a 38-year-old man when her ex-boyfriend pounced on them and shot them. She was pronounced dead at the hospital, while the 38-year-old man was admitted to the hospital in stable but critical condition. Sources claimed that the man was her boyfriend. If that's true, even though the age gap is wide, there is nothing the law can do about it because the age of consent in Jamaica is 16. Another point I want to bring to attention is that people are saying a 16-year-old should not be working in Jamaica. Based on Jamaica's law, a 15-year-old can work legally, but it comes with conditions. In Jamaica, the minimum age for formal employment is 15 years. However, there are some important considerations such as, 1. A child can be admitted into formal employment at the age of 15 if they have completed secondary education. This means that once a young person has finished their secondary schooling, they are eligible to work legally. 2. The line of work must not be hazardous, and it should allow time for leisure, which is crucial for a child's development. Leisure is considered a basic right according to the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. Now, according to the Child Care and Protection Act, children below the age of 13 should not be engaged in work for economic gain. For children aged 13 to 14, light work is permissible, with a maximum of 4 hours per day and not exceeding 14 hours per week. What is child labor? Child labor includes any work that is physically, socially, morally, mentally, or spiritually dangerous to a child. It encompasses activities that prevent a child from attending school for education or hinder their mental and physical development. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security has developed a light work list, which serves as a guide for suitable jobs that children can engage in. This list specifies the type of work, the number of hours, and the child's age. Let's look at some penalties. Engaging in child labor can result in fines or imprisonment. Regular child labor offenses may lead to fines not exceeding $500,000 and/or imprisonment of up to 6 months. The worst forms of child labor, including hazardous work, child prostitution, child pornography, and child trafficking, carry more severe penalties. In summary, while 16-year-olds can legally work in Jamaica, it's essential to ensure that the work is safe, age-appropriate, and allows for their overall well-being and development.